Samsung's upcoming flagships pack some welcome and unexpected improvements. With the next Galaxy Unpacked event scheduled for early February, we expect Samsung's Galaxy S23 flagship smartphones to launch imminently. As with previous generations, the South Korean giant will launch 3 devices this year, each competing in a different price class. Samsung hasn't revealed much about these phones just yet, but we now have a few credible leaks that offer a glimpse into the improvements to come. Let's break down what you can expect from the 3 Galaxy S23 smartphones in terms of battery life. With last year's Galaxy S22 series, Samsung inexplicably reduced the battery capacities of the regular and Plus models. Unsurprisingly, many reviewers and users reported a proportional drop in real-world battery life. Luckily, it looks like Samsung noted our complaints over the past year and will course-correct with the Galaxy S23 series. Based on leaked information, we expect the vanilla Galaxy S23 to feature a 3900 mAh battery. That's up 200 mAh compared to its predecessor. If you stayed away from demanding tasks like navigation or gaming, the phone would rarely last the entire day. The capacity bump in this year's Galaxy S23 should offer more headroom. But we're expecting more tangible battery life gains to come from Qualcomm's brand new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. According to Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is roughly 40% more efficient than its predecessor. The company delivered similar efficiency gains with its mid-cycle Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 last year. And with this new chip also being made on a TSMC node rather than Samsung Foundry, we should see Qualcomm's efficiency claims hold up in the real world. We're also optimistic because the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 helped Samsung deliver impressive battery results on the similarly petite Galaxy Z Flip 4 just a few months ago. Next, the middle-of-the-pack Galaxy S23 Plus will house a 4700 mAh battery, a step up from the Galaxy S22 Plus 4500 mAh capacity. That's a smaller upgrade in percentage terms compared to the base Galaxy S23, but it's still a welcome improvement. We weren't nearly as critical of the Galaxy S22 Plus as the vanilla model last year. In fact, it often exceeded our expectations, especially compared to the other 2 models. Even on days with a screen-on time of 7 hours, the S22 Plus made it to bedtime with roughly 40% of its charge still intact. That's enough to last you another half day of light use. This year, the larger battery in the Galaxy S23 Plus, coupled with the efficiency improvements from the chipset, will likely result in chart-topping endurance figures. At last, the top-of-the-line Galaxy S23 Ultra will feature the same 5000 mAh battery as its predecessor. This means it will boast one of the largest battery capacities in the entire flagship smartphone market. In our Galaxy S22 Ultra review last year, we found the phone ended most days with 20% charge left over, with an average screen-on time of 6.5 hours and mixed usage. We've historically found that the Ultra model doesn't always deliver the longest battery life. The large 6.8-inch Quad HD Plus display might be the culprit here, so consider the Galaxy S23 Plus if you want to squeeze every last bit of longevity. That said, most people won't feel let down by the Galaxy S23 Ultra's battery life either. Not to mention, the efficiency gains from Qualcomm's improved chipset this year will likely help this smartphone just as much as the vanilla Galaxy S23. Now the question is, does the Galaxy S23 series charge any faster? If fast charging matters a great deal to you, prepare to be a bit disappointed with the Galaxy S23 series. The vanilla Galaxy S23 will charge at 25 watts, while the 2 higher-end models will support up to 45 watts of power. These are the same figures as last year's Galaxy S22 series, meaning a full charge will take just over an hour on all 3 models. It's also worth noting that we found little difference between Samsung's 25 watts versus 45 watts fast charging in the past. More specifically, the faster adapter shaved just 7 minutes off a full charge on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. You'll also have to bring your own super fast charging adapter, as Samsung won't provide one in the box. Based on the information we have so far, the Galaxy S23 Plus and S23 Ultra should offer respectable battery life. More importantly, they match most other flagship smartphones on the market. While the vanilla Galaxy S23's higher capacity battery should yield a small improvement over last year's model, it's still unlikely to top the charts. In the compact smartphone space alone, we observed exceptional battery life from the similarly sized Zenfone 9 thanks to its larger battery. And if you don't mind a taller display, the Sony Xperia 5 delivers even better endurance with its 5000 mAh battery. That said, if you're coming from an Apple or Google smartphone, you won't find any reason to complain. All three Galaxy S23 models charge faster than the Pixel 7 and iPhone 14 series, even if it's only a slim victory. Overall, Samsung's 2023 flagships deliver decent battery life and charging performance, but ultimately fall short of many enthusiasts' lofty expectations. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more Galaxy news. See you for the next time. Peace out.